What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Certified Whips. I got the vet in the garage right here, and as you can see, I've already got my rear tire off. I went ahead and bought some Paragon Performance 20mm spacers. They come really durable and high quality, well packaged. Got your nuts here, and they were on back order, and they finally got a new stock in. So I've been buying a lot of stuff from Paragon. They make some good quality equipment. It's even got the logo stamped on the side. All right, y'all, so back over here. These tires are really heavy. But anyhow, so you got your studs here that come out to the that bolt on the wheel with your lugs, and then these here, there's no modification. These are just strictly straight bolt on, no cutting studs or anything like that. So they did a good job with these. All right, so they go on as such like that. And then you got the nuts that's in the kit that actually screws on to here. And then these here will be your new lugs, your studs for your wheel lugs. And they'll go on as such with the tire on, wheel on. All right, y'all, so I will come back and give y'all an update once I get this installed, and we'll see how it looks. And I'll take you to the other side right now to give y'all a quick glimpse of how it looks without the spacer. The tire is really tucked in. Yeah, so I didn't buy them for the front on a Z06. I noticed a lot of people for the regular C8 Stingray, they buy them for the front and the rear, but I think the front doesn't look too bad. Plus, I've got some custom wheels that are coming in that'll be flush anyhow. All right. All right, got the screws, y'all. The nuts for the spacer. As you can see, as I was saying earlier, they're gonna go here. And this is so it will attach the spacer to the rotor. I'm gonna put them on finger tight and then torque it down. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got the driver's side rear tire done, and I got to tell you, man, this thing with the spacers, it's flush. I love it. It is tucked in just a little bit at the top, but as you can see from the back, they got it setting perfect. If it was coming out too much at the top, it would actually, the whole tire would be sticking out and it wouldn't look so good. But anyhow, I will tell you one thing you will need with this kit is a thin wall socket, because those bolts for the actual spacers, they sit, it's a recessed fitting, so this has to fit inside that spacer. Now, as far as the actual lug nuts, I bought this set from Amazon. It's got cushion around it to protect your wheel, and you want to make sure that you get a torque wrench and torque down your bolts to 140 feet-pounds torque. All right, and that concludes this video. If you have any comments or anything to add, please feel free to comment below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.